Bybit resumes full trading services in India after FIU registration. Bybit, India. After a regulatory suspension and a monetary penalty, Bybit has resumed trading services in India. Recent events, including a major cyber breach and heightened regulatory scrutiny, have prompted the exchange to modify its operational framework to comply with local standards while protecting user assets. Last updated, February 25, 2025. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. Journalist, Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 25, 2025 at 23:10 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Bybit has resumed trading services in India after resolving compliance issues by registering with the Financial Intelligence Unit (FIU) and paying a regulatory fine. Independent audits confirmed the exchange maintained sufficient reserves despite significant withdrawal pressure. Security investigations detailed how Lazarus Group hackers bypassed multi-signature protocols to access cold wallets. Rival exchanges are engaging regulators and recruiting local experts to facilitate their return to India. India's regulatory approach is evolving through Securities Exchange Board oversight and potential CBDC development. Crypto exchange Bybit has officially resumed trading services in India after securing registration with the country's Financial Intelligence Unit (FIU). The exchange announced on February 25 that it is restoring full access for existing users and gradually onboarding new customers. This marks a definite regulatory milestone for Bybit, which had previously suspended its services in India due to compliance issues. Bybit finally back in India after paying fines. The initial suspension came after Bybit was fined 9.27 crore rupees, $1.06 million on January 31 for violating India's Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA). The Indian government took action after discovering that Bybit had been expanding its services in the country without proper registration. This led to regulatory penalties and the blocking of its website under the Information Technology Act. After paying the fine and registering with the FIU, Bybit returned to India with a renewed commitment to compliance, aligning itself with India's new cryptocurrency regulations. The exchange, which operates across 1,174 markets and serves over 60 million users globally, seeks to regain its footing in India's expanding crypto space. Despite the country's regulatory scrutiny, India remains a key market for major exchanges with increasing adoption and trading volumes. In fact, a recent report shows that the Indian crypto market could expand from $2.5 billion in 2024 to over $15 billion by 2035 at an annual growth rate of 18.5%. A comeback after massive security breach. Bybit's regulatory comeback in India follows a period of turbulence, including one of the largest security breaches in cryptocurrency history. On February 21, 2025, the exchange was targeted by the notorious Lazarus Group, a North Korean-affiliated hacking collective. The breach led to the theft of over $1.4 billion in Ethereum ETH-related tokens, marking the single largest crypto heist recorded to date. Investigations revealed that the Lazarus Group exploited vulnerabilities in Bybit's multi-signature security protocols to gain unauthorized access to an Ethereum cold wallet. The group, known for orchestrating high-profile cyber heists, including attacks on Ronin and WazirX, once again demonstrated its ability to bypass centralized exchange security mechanisms. The breach's impact was immediate and severe. In the aftermath of the attack, Bybit experienced a major drop in user assets, with withdrawals exceeding $5.3 billion. However, independent audits later confirmed that the exchange maintained more reserves than liabilities, reassuring users of its financial stability. By February 22, Bybit CEO Ben Zhou announced that withdrawal activities had normalized. You might also like Bybit CEO, ETH Gap closed post $1.4 billion hack exchange to publish POR audit. Crypto exchanges race to resume operations in India. Other exchanges that were penalized for operating in India are now looking to regain a foothold in the country as well. According to a February 13th report, Coinbase is exploring a return to the Indian market after more than a year away, engaging with local regulators, including the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU. While the exchange has not confirmed FIU registration, a spokesperson stressed Coinbase's commitment to complying with India's regulatory framework. Coinbase initially launched in India in April 2022 but quickly faced regulatory pressure from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. This led to the suspension of UPI payments and an eventual halt in trading services. By June 2022, new user registrations had stopped, and in September 2023, Coinbase officially terminated accounts that failed to meet updated compliance standards. Similarly, a February 20th report shows that Kraken is also planning a return to the Indian crypto market. It has appointed Vishesh Khurana, co-founder of Shiprocket, as an advisor to lead its local operations. The exchange intends to secure the necessary licenses and engage with Indian regulators to comply with financial laws. Despite high crypto taxes and regulatory challenges, India's stance on digital assets may change soon. The Securities Exchange Board of India is proposing multi-regulatory oversight and even planning a national CBDC, central bank digital currency. Bybit's return to India showcases the evolving relationship between crypto exchanges and regulators worldwide. As India continues developing its digital asset framework, exchanges must adapt to changing requirements while balancing innovation and compliance. The next few years may determine whether India becomes a crypto hub or settles into an overly cautious approach to digital assets, with exchanges like Bybit serving as test cases for this regulatory evolution. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). How does Bybit plan to maintain compliance in the future? Bybit plans to maintain compliance through FIU registration, adherence to anti-money laundering measures, and collaboration with Indian regulators. How does Bybit's registration with the FIU affect its global operations? FIU registration enhances Bybit's legitimacy in India, sets a compliance precedent, and strengthens its global operational credibility. How is the current Indian regulation enticing the exchanges to come back? India's evolving regulations, including FIU registration requirements and potential CBDC development, are encouraging exchanges to return despite high taxes and strict oversight. What specific compliance measures are Indian crypto exchanges implementing? Indian crypto exchanges are implementing strict Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) measures, transaction monitoring for suspicious activities, mandatory reporting under Section 285 BAA of the Income Tax Act, and compliance with tax and regulatory frameworks to ensure transparency and legality. How does Bybit's fine compare to other crypto exchanges that have faced similar penalties in India? Bybit's $1.06 million fine is relatively small compared to Binance's $85 million tax demand in India, for example, highlighting varying penalty scales based on the severity of compliance violations and transaction volumes. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and cryptos are 3 reasons why Bitcoin is down today. Bitcoin. Ethereum tumble with $1.34 billion in crypto liquidations on tariff worries. The Bybit hack explained. What happened? Who did it? What happens next? Price analysis. Bitcoin dips to $90,000. Is the market crashing or just a temporary pullback? 12 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Blockchain news. What's happening in crypto today? Daily Crypto News Digest. 10 hours ago. By Seed Fatal Payzik. Price analysis. XRP price breaks below key $2.50 support. Ripple to drop further? 11 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in February 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. New crypto coins to invest in February 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. November 5, 2024. By Meb Keelikutty. 10 new upcoming Coinbase listings in February 2025. February 5, 2025. By Isan El Makuri. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By NSS Tavares. Next crypto to explode. Top 12 coins in February 2025. September 11, 2024. by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.